Welcome to this week's video, and at the end of my working day, in fact my working week, I'm out on my gravel bike. So I'm actually filming this on a Friday and I've already hit my target for my ride. That is getting out the door. Anything beyond that is a bonus. And I'm rocking some new glasses, a cheap internet purchase which I'm regretting already. It's not light enough for dark glasses really, even though it's a pretty pleasant evening. So I headed out to my local woods, and with a bit of luck I've timed it around the time Jason said he's going to go out. So hopefully we'll better meet up. So I've had a text from Jason. He said, meet you in Stanmer Park. Stanmer Park's pretty big, you know. So we're heading towards where he would enter, and hopefully we'll tie up. So I think he's going to come in through there, unless he's already been through there and he's somewhere back there where I was. This said his location is quite far away actually, so I might have a little fiddle around on some of these little single tracks on this bike. Not too bad actually. Definitely feels less stable than a mountain bike, but when it's dry, some of the sort of little branches that are there, you don't roll over them because the tyres are that much narrower.
So new controller, new cabling, new motor, new front sprocket, new chain, new cassette, new hub because I crushed the bearings, 2 more spokes to fit because I broke them as well. Boys at Bosch have done themselves proud. I didn't pay for the motor. They gave me a new motor for free. But I don't know why, but I seem to have more power now.
Oh, that's your muscles, mate.
Well, there is that as well. I think the only thing that's come with the bike now is the handlebars, the frame and the battery.
It's like Trigger's broom, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's had it 30 years.
Yeah.
Where are we going then?
Got no idea, mate.
Because I'm on this bike, so... Well, I've pretty much achieved what I wanted to do tonight. We're actually coming out.
Should we just do a loop of the proc?
Yeah, and I thought maybe go around the football stadium, around the pond, and then come up the other side into
okay.
This bike's alright in these conditions, on this sort of terrain when it's so dry.
I was going to say, what's it like riding that?
No, my tyres are a bit hard though, because I pumped them up for going on the road.
Oh, right, okay. I think you might be bouncing around a bit down here. There's a few
yeah,
bumpy bits.
sort of silent, your bike now, isn't it?
Yeah, can't hear it, can you? It's amazing, isn't it?
Ah. Oh, you really feel it without the suspension.
Yeah, I could imagine. How lovely is it out here tonight though?
It's beautiful, isn't it? It's not too cold, is it?
No, it's right. Still glove weather, but it's not
gloves.
It's not winter glove weather.
No, it's fingerless gloves for the people that plan. They plan a bit better, isn't it? For anyone who like looked at the weather maybe and
Don't do that. I'm too busy grafting.
Yeah, grafting. Grafting. That is not the word, is it? Oh god.
End up in classrooms over there.
I was thinking, I hope you don't think I'm going to stop as I come down there. Because I wasn't. I haven't cycled with Jason for a few weeks. Forgot what it's like cycling with an e-biker. All you see is his back wheel as soon as you hit a hill. It's looking very healthy, isn't it? Duck heaven, isn't it? Don't see any fish today though. It's really quite pleasant, isn't it?
Yeah. My only worry is it's getting a bit grey.
Yeah.
I don't think the rain's due till tomorrow morning though, is it?
No, I don't think there's any rain in here. I only anticipated coming out for a short ride tonight. This is a
short ride. We've done 11k.
Yeah. Oh. I thought you said you're going past the gym. What? No. Who said that then?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm going back over the tapes. You haven't commented on my new glasses either.
I didn't want it really, do you know what I mean?
No, they cost 350 quid.
Yeah, whatever.
Sorry, no, it was £3.50, sorry. New car park, Stanmer Park. Get all the good content here. Got to pay the park here now though. £1.50 for 1 hour, that's a lot, isn't it? Just spotted a path we've never seen before.
Yeah, that's the road.
Oh, we might as well cut across it then.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. That's a good little shortcut there when you don't want the steep bit at the bottom. It's not too hard, this climb really though, but sometimes
It's just that bottom bit.
Sometimes it comes at the end of a long ride though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds a bit grungy, doesn't it?
That's with new pads on though. That's the back one not. Back one's fine.
Well, tonight's little ride served its purpose. Got me out of the house, got me on my bike. And got to give the gravel bike a bit of an off-road run as well. The bike performed pretty well really. But thanks for watching today. Please like and comment and subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll see you next time.